Hello, Americans and other friends and subscribers from around the world. Back again.
Jack, how you doing? You look so bright-eyed and bushy. Tell me, Stevie.
I don't know about that.
You guys waiting on us. On another one of our fish fences. Man, and we, that dang storm. Made it through the storm, but man, I'll tell you what, that, I don't know how bad the winds got, but that was the first time, man, we were actually sitting in, watching the Clint Eastwood movie, The Mule. If you haven't seen The Mule with Clint Eastwood, man, it is a good movie. We were sitting in there watching that, and, man, all of a sudden, it was just like a freight train coming, man. You could hear it. Boom, it hits. And it literally was shaking the cabin in the Vagabond. You know, and the Vagabond is actually buried, you know, is underneath a snow shelter and stuff, and we could feel it shaking. It hit, crumpled my, and we were going to pull it down yesterday, and then we thought, nah, man, because there was still some stuff under it we wanted to keep dry, but one of those easy ups, the one right outside the cook shack, I took the one down over Yoda, and, what's going on over there? But, I didn't take that other one down, and I thought it was okay. Man, it's been tied down. It's been out there for, you know, since we did the big yard sale and everything, and, it crumpled that mother between those two buildings even. And man, there's just metal flying, man. It was nuts. No cottonwoods fell, thank God. So unless they're, you know, they might have fell down in the creek bottom, but nothing I noticed yet. Anyway, we're headed down the path, man. Of course, got the old trusty 410 pistol, just in case. Come out here, man. Like I said, I always love it. Come out here, make a little jingle from my jangle. Got my chainsaw, so we'll take only in the green bean, but we'll take a load of wood back. But come out here and make a few bucks. Hopefully get dinner and a load of wood. Always got to look for that big nugget.
Not that I'm not wet already.
You're better than G.I. Jane.
Yeah.
Dora. Oh wait, that's supposed to be, what is that?
Gia. That'd be you in your face.
Alright, so I'll show you an example of what, this is why we're out on the fences. Yep, it took it out.
There's a post down.
So we're going to have to hoof it back to, probably hoof it back to the green bean and then back in here. Huh?
You don't have a post side, do you?
No, that one's big. It took out the whole thing. We're going to have to bring the stretcher and everything. This is our job. That is why we walk the fences.
Smells like Christmas trees.
Yeah, it does. We've had people ask, why do you guys always walk the barbed wire fences? This is the reason, and we actually figured we were going to have this problem because of the winds.
And luckily, this one just has this one section. Yeah, I didn't
So far, man, we still got quite a ways. I got to go all the way back and get the
No, I was just saying that the
chainsaw.
down to pick out the whole side of the fence.
Nope. See. Okay.
Oh, see? Oh, yeah. There's one on the other side, too.
Oh, there is. It's almost like they're camped out on there.
Taking a siesta?
Oh, they're alive and well. I guess they're just chilling. It's like, hey man, it's raining cold out here. It's my umbrella. Oops, I lost it. Pretty cool. Starting to rain again. Uh-oh.
Traffic jam.
Yeah, traffic jam. Got some Idaho gridlock. She's like, what the heck?
She?
Thank you kindly. Hey, Kai, stop. Think you're a cow dog?
Wow.